Okay, hi. So welcome to this little short clip that we're going to have on the software called Typ-O. I thought it would be useful for you to actually have a look at it in use and just see some of the functionality it has and how well it handles sentence construction, alternative words that you might be able to use, and how it picks up on the spelling and also to a certain degree the grammar. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy it and you'll get to see the software in action. The main reason why I decided to do the little clip is that the software is available through the Mac software store, the Mac app store. This gives you an opportunity just to check it out and see what it's like, and I think you'll find it's really good.
I'll just show you the main menu. This is the main menu up at the top here. There is a preferences setting. It's fairly basic, but pick up on the fact that there's different languages available in this. So we have US English, UK English, Danish, Norwegian, Swedish, and just recently, literally in the last couple of weeks, German was added. Now, the next thing that you would do is that you would say, okay, my spelling is pretty good, or I need some help, or I need a lot of help. Now, the other thing that you would set is the vocabulary size. So tiny, small, medium, and large. You can have a large vocabulary or a tiny, small vocabulary. So it would bring more or less words to assistance. And it will bring more sophisticated or less sophisticated words according to the setting that you choose here. Tiny, small, medium, or large. Also, there is a profanity filter. So that way it will not bring back words that potentially could be profane. And it can have you can have the software predict the next word or not predict the next word. So currently I've got UK English. I need some help with regards to spelling. A medium vocabulary size. The profanity filter is on. And we have the word prediction on. The other item is the voice that's required or that you would like to use for the program's ability to read back to you. So that's the main preferences. Up here you have your normal new file, open recent. You have edit abilities, paste, function, spelling, grammar. Check spelling when typing, check automatically. You can use substitution. There are transformations, so you can make things uppercase or lowercase or capitalize, and you can use the speech. In terms of formatting, there's just simple font formats, bigger, smaller, show colors. With regards to text, there's alignment, align left, right, writing direction. You can actually change it. You can actually go right to left or left to right. Views, windows, minimize and zoom, and a help. So very nice and simple, easy. The whole idea is get writing, write, and the program will help you. So I'm just going to come down. Okay. So what we currently have at the moment is a default style. We're left alignment, spacing. We've chosen single, and we're not going to choose any listing, but there's options there for listing. Now this box here is the box where alternative words will become apparent to you and you can use them. So let's just start writing and I'll show you what the software does. It does it beautifully. It does it really easily. And I think this software would be an absolute boon to some people who are having difficulty. Start a little story of some sort. Once upon a time. Now, if you noticed, I've just written time. I haven't used the space yet. So once upon a time, and it's also got different alternatives, game, demand, games. Now, if I go space, watch this change as it already starts to predict what my next words may be. So I've hit the space. Once upon a time, when, the, I, you, it, they, my. So for example, my. Once upon a time when my wife, home, name, dad, daughter, son was 18 years of age, comma, I would, was, think, don't, have, suppose. Can you see how it's starting to predict now? Now this prediction actually, don't correct me on this, but I think this prediction becomes learned as well. So the software actually starts getting more and more predictive according to your use. So I'll just carry on writing now. Once upon a time when my son was 18 years of age, I was thinking I would lend him my car. This was not a good space, and it already has come up with the prediction of idea, which is true. This was not a good idea, as my son was a poor driver at the time. Now what we'll do is start introducing some spelling mistakes. This, you've noticed that I've spelled it wrong, so we can go back over, and it's come up with an alternative as well. If I go these days, again I've introduced a mistake. Spelling and grammar. I do apologize, but I didn't have it sort of set there properly. These days, there you go. These days, you, and I've added 2 U's there just to see what it comes up with. You. So there you go. That gives you an idea. With regards to spelling, I haven't found any issues with it. I am pretty sure that the settings do make a difference. So I've probably got it set where it's not looking at the spelling quite as effectively as it could be. One of those days, the city of Perth. Look, it's already predicted Western. I live in Perth, Western Australia, so Perth, Western, and it's already looked for Australia, Western Australia. That's excellent. That's so clever. Okay, so that's it. You can see it in action. It is just so useful, so helpful, does the job really well, and it's only $20. So Yeah, really good program. I'm very, very pleased with how the software producer is working on this program. He's already adding different languages. So yeah, there you go. That's Typ-O. Check it out. You can see essentially how it functions. And the program just gets better the more you use it. Save the file. It saves it as an RTF. Save that as test. And there you go. And I'll close it off.